Lay alone.
Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Man, show me have evidence. Go.
Yeah, man.
You get wine.
Eh? Is what? Bad one, you up there, cuz.
Hi, fries.
Hey guys, welcome back to the William fam.
Yo, so we got our food. We bought it. Well, they already dived in. They didn't even wait for me. See how they're selfish? You guys are selfish. And this one, team up my fries. Because I can see my chicken.
You know what?
You need pepper.
Of course I do. It's just because.
You go what the most
Girl.
peppering. So this one started eating well ahead of everybody else.
Careful with me.
So yo, where's your guys' dream vacation? Differently than Jamaica. Don't even say Jamaica.
Exactly.
What's your dream vacation spot?
More bien.
Really?
Mine is
Hey.
I want to go like Paris or like
Alright, sure.
Greece. Like somewhere different other than the island. That's what I would do.
I'll go to England.
Hello.
But personally, England.
But that's your dream vacation to go to England?
I know, like, you know,
no,
like,
I continue to go to Jamaica till me used to it. When I used to eat it.
What?
Really?
Haven't you been there like all your life?
Yeah, but yeah, couple of years well, me not go home.
When's the last time you went home?
Just the other day?
Exactly. Yeah.
A long time.
Oh my god.
Not too long.
My dream vacation is to go to Bora Bora.
Give me a plate.
I said I'd love to go there.
I have 3 pieces.
And be on one of those, the water huts.
It's okay, man. Oh, so where's yours? You only want to go to England because you think you're gonna go to Arsenal game. Dream vacation, dream. Picture me and you, not you and Arsenal. Picture me and you. Well, not going. I mean,
But you can't come see me.
and what? Cheer for Arsenal?
I still young.
Sure. Tanya all the time I go to Arsenal. You know what?
That's the main thing you're gonna talk about.
The year almost done.
Which is right. Joke, man.
Team Chelsea. Team Chelsea all the way.
I Canada KFC is there.
This is,
Yeah, Popeye.
that's what we were saying.
Yeah, definitely.
You're so crazy.
This is the new KFC. Canadian
We were
Popeye.
just saying like KFC up here. I don't understand why their chicken, the skin is not crispy. That means they must fry or like dip it in the oil for 2 seconds and put it in the oven.
Not too long fries.
A way boy put in our chicken. That is a KFC and a KFC.
Mario said KFC cousin.
My dad always said it runs his belly.
True.
He's like the KFC up here. I remember one. Actually, I can't share.
You know, get you run to me, but I'm eat it.
Remember me telling you.
The gas share the story?
I can't.
I tell them long time say the chicken alright. Something wrong.
Something wrong with the chicken.
That first time I eat it. I think when I see him now, I have to go bathroom.
I don't mind, man.
So why you didn't eat it when I buy it for you? And I said, oh Sean, I want this already, something here. Why you not eat it?
Can't eat chicken, I famous bowl.
Chicken, no, you're not famous bowl.
Meat bar.
He said you said Canada chicken bowl is better than up here. You tried one up here?
Yeah.
The famous bowl.
No.
Make it look funny.
No, you have to try it.
I bought it, and he looked at it and he's like, this is runny. And he
Me
never
look
ate it.
funny. Me never walk meat yet. When I go to my turn, I see they run up on me. So I said, no.
And I ended up having to throw it out.
I tried the Jamaican one. I don't think it was. I don't remember actually. It's been a while.
We try again.
I'm gonna have to try it again.
It's been a while since I had Jamaica KFC. Oh my god.
Girl,
Just
you and me
thinking about
both.
it now?
Like,
Oh man. Whenever I decide to make it home, that's the first thing I want off the plane.
first thing I want is scotchies. I need some jerk pork in my life.
pan chicken.
Yes.
What? We got the pork lovers over here.
What?
We got the non-pork over here.
I know it.
No.
One is pork pepper.
I know, like, and not this kind of pepper,
So
like
why have to be
raw
pepper?
pepper.
Why have to be pepper?
It just makes it like extra
You
nice.
can enjoy real pepper?
Of
No,
course.
you can, but like it just
Hello.
makes it extra nice.
Me not feel eat and I cry.
I don't cry.
Pepper.
I don't cry.
Pepper hot.
You can't handle
No.
The pepper hot sweet.
Yes.
You can't handle pepper, that's why. Just the smell of it makes his water come to his eyes.
Really?
And he knows run everything.
Yo, when we go, we take up the juice from the pepper and we put it all over. We're in the car, we're like, eat the
Yeah.
bami, yo. That's how we like it. Because of me when you eat so much pepper. Yes.
Can I eat
Even
a good?
Polly said,
Can I eat a good fish right now there?
yeah.
Where from?
There's a guy down where we stay that makes fish on weekends.
Clean fish already.
You don't think so? Well, to me it's not bad.
Already.
Really? I like it.
Is it in the close? We just.
So
where
what
then?
happened if you don't watch your vlog now?
Okay, but Jamaica,
Yo.
No?
Link your mobile when you go down. Can go get fish, real fish. Fish where can't hold in a plate or something like this in a pan. And I like,
What?
how do you say reach?
So good. Oh
And you know
my
every
God.
restaurant we go, you always order fish? I'm the only one that's like trying something different. I'll get like pasta or like...
You want steam fish,
Now,
let's
here's
go
my
eat
money.
fish. Huh? You know, we see man because in the first place, you're going to igloo and you pick out the fish style fish you want.
That's sick.
And you
Well,
go, you'll be, and then go
I
prepare
see
your
a place
place.
where
You
they
tell you how
have
much you
some,
want.
Run at this place is bad. You will like they sell fried fish and bang on the roadside.
Oh, Bada?
Which part?
Most somebody has a border.
We know about it, but
But
we're
that-
too far, man.
Me like
Right from one corner
But
there,
that's
on
too- a nice
whole
strip,
pa different people there.
And there's alligators and everything at the same place, the river. You bother that. You know
River
that
did it?
Hello, Bada Beach.
And up on the roadside there.
Bada somewhere like up 70 like Blackberry.
You know, I remember where me go.
I know about that, man.
I'm a go to them. The time when I go and go and one match, I think a States match. I enjoy Albert Town way and go. But when we come back a Mobile side. But before we reach in a Mobile, I right one from one corner there. And you have to park the car them over on the next side. And whole heap of little stall there and whole heap of people are selling fish. And bami. I think they other dep on the left hand side of the road. And whole heap of and there's some more and
Well,
go.
Bada on the panny. I don't know.
I want to know which part. Because there's some more. And one time I go there. And I buy a you just can like $1,000 go there. You all left with one nice amount of fish and bami. I buy and never say so that anyway.
That's what I said. I did
The
want
way
to
fish
go
they
to
very
OT.
nice.
I've never been to a little OT, and I said I wanted to go.
Have we
Well,
been
when
there?
this one's supposed to bring me to little
OT?
OT, out till now I still can't reach.
Can me say I live in Jamaica month of days ago, you know not even know what to do.
There's some place I tell you. I don't even know it. Man, you, nothing the back out 5 months away. Come Mobile way. Like come and take up here. Go Lucy, go Negril. Back them place here. Yeah.
But me, even in was it Portland? They have some good spots there too.
Portland for.
That no
Portland, not far.
Yo, my drive to Portland, go St. Mary. Come right down to Kingston, like come on. Yeah?
To me, that's not far. I got St. Mary regular. We just chop Wochi, St. Mary, Port Maria.
We drive go right round on the seaside, come straight round. We stop at St. Mary and stay there. How much like to stay 2 nights? We got 2 dance to go. Yeah? Stay over man, this guy 2 dance and
It was nice.
Yeah.
Nice, well
man.
drunk. It was nice. It was one time where we had our friend, he was there and he was peeing in the water. And this girl was so drunk.
Come on, come wash your face.
Yeah,
Wait,
right
same
where we
place.
say.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then me up the top and say, what's your face going on?
You go, come on, the vomit, you know? And he put in the water and wash your face like, and I read
You can't bear the
I
pee.
love them kind of walk on, but I'm really good spot, you know. I was just jamming in one corner. Me having one TV up there. Yeah? Raffling. I buy about 3 tickets. So I dance and I have my phone, you know, man. So I look for the ticket, you know. I see them back up, I say, yeah. And so I call the number, and I say, when I call them, man, I say, when they call, I say, when I run off. I go and call my number. Straight up.
And the time I'm the tipsy.
With my TV and carry down.
Oh boy.
Party in a summer movie.
Are you afraid to go? No. Because you're so used to.
Yo, when I go out to the place, I will call you. Like, me not just get up like me, I try and get up and say, alright, we have to dance, I'll be alright, go. I want to hold up like a 3-4 car with the
Yeah.
Oh.
Last time when we went out,
which car we stand up, I will have here something and I drink beer juice and India, you see me?
Oh.
Just build up vibes.
Yeah, I think it was the last time we went to Dead End. How much of us was it? A whole trail load of it.
When you move, man, I whole heap away move, man.
Last party me go Sav. And me reach in a party. Not every party, I want bar going to the place some pool. I want man come there and man say, yo, what go on? Yeah, man say, so me there man. But I say, you look at me like you don't know me. I say, I don't know you. I say, I know you do. I say, you ask everything, but I say, yeah man. As in turn him back to blood clot, me cut. What? Jump in my car and cut man. And I say, me come with a Sam and this man go tell me say know me. I don't know him. Worse than only for killing when they go on me.
Yo.
Me slide.
Me know one youth in a mobile. All the way with the man. The man see me one time, one youth see me one time, and me know say, Ziggy no care the man explain himself, me can't remember me doing from. And all the way when the man see me, man, I heal me and I come to me and I talk to me. And I know me can't tell you which part me know him from. Yeah?
That's the worst.
All the ways.
When people come up to you, you're just like, bro, where do I know you from? Like,
The man all walk past me, man, the look at me face and me don't know where the man come from.
Me don't run them.
But the thing about it, me can't avoid it because I'm going to be a man at the work. And me always see him. Enough of them do it as a side, no thing if you beg you, know.
That's true still.
That them do. And then when they go hold a conversation with you, they don't want to come with you and just beg you, so you know, they hold a conversation with you. And then they say, so I can give me a 2 bills or a bill.
So if you have beg, just beg out straight.
They not just come to you and say, yeah.
Look now here.
It kind of, when them people are talking, let's say you talk to them now and you're that, you know, you don't look away if them again talk to them so long and you beg your bills and you know, more
I'd
just
rather
come
you
to
beg
you.
me straight. Don't act like you know me and then
No, man, that them do,
I'm
man.
gonna be there like, wait, where did I know this person? Maybe I do know them and I'm there chilling with you. And like, no. Beg me straight.
Get straight to the point. Don't be there on the bush.
But most likely,
Some Jamaican people are bold, you know.
the end is they not get you enough time.
Yeah, man, what they say when them boys come to you, you tell them to know you're not happy, right? And they know say something when they do all the while, and so 99% of the time in the work out when they come to you and just beg you about so. And then you realize that when them do it for them way like I pretend them know you, then realize alright, they work out so they know continue with it.
No, if it work for me, if it go home, go try.
You can't. They don't do that here. I'm saying Jamaicans are just bold on like a different level.
Yeah, that's true. Oh, different level.
They work already now, man, come in. What do you want there, road again? Cut him man 2 bucks now. Yeah. And I like him, I say, oh, where to come a chain for? And him give have a chain as a woman there. Beat a woman now. Right at the shop. And I rob a woman. The woman say, me don't know him.
No,
Oh my god.
Yeah? People did that, the woman say, you like him, I say, Me don't know who. That time, he got 2 bucks and take a woman chain and say, I film chain, went to come in chain at the house. And gone with him.
So
And I
right
grabbed him
there.
Yeah, and I grabbed him with the woman.
Are you serious?
But the woman was so surprised, you know, like the woman kind of like shocked, you know, because he might say, so what just happened? Eh?
Bro.
Yeah.
That's it. You know, say Polly used to go on mobile and take out your phone.
Remember when I used to go to my bake to tell me don't walk with my vlogging camera or don't walk
Yeah,
with
why
this or
not?
that?
Or your chain out or something
Yeah,
like that.
And I always
That's
have my
what
big
they
little
used to
chain
do,
on.
man. They
Yeah,
always
man.
all that tell
If
some
you
man
have a
do the same
iPhone,
thing
man,
with
you
man
can
already.
walk with you and talk with you. You have to call real big man in the street. Like, you know.
But things change now, right?
Mm.
Things change because from us going there, I would always walk with my phone out.
Why
I would
am I
need time not to do
showing
it.
off?
I was like,
You don't know when I'm in your come cheap. I didn't stab you up and take it.
But honestly, yo, I recommend down to the phone.
But I remember it in the Ziggy. You ain't pick him, you know. You ain't pick him, I'm you know.
Mm.
You ain't pick him, I'm and thief him wallet. And he don't know. And the man come back and slap him with the wallet in his chest. That's a big man like you walk with him to wallet.
Oh my god.
That happened.
Bro. That's
Man
so
come back.
boring.
Big man like you walk with him to
You
wallet.
see what I mean? They're so bold.
Right? The man that carry money in his wallet and then something there. And the
I
man
mean, they
pick
know.
him and
I would have
wallet.
been like, yeah, for dummies like you.
You're serious, man.
PSC, boy, PSC. PSC, PSC.
Yeah.
that's too funny.
Stop my name.
Big man like you walk with him to wallet.
I'm just sitting there like, is this a joke right now?
And this was something mobile still. You're in the street, you witness something now you can do really believe, man.
There's always this
You're
one.
Jamaican, them too.
There's always this one homeless man in Jamaica you always see. He's always like half naked. Always.
Oh, which one
always
over the
see
ball
him.
top up here?
Yes.
Yeah, and he has a, this
You
someone
man,
like,
they dance, man.
yeah.
Michael Jackson, that the man, they
But I
dance,
see
you
him
know.
on YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he was on
Facebook.
YouTube.
That's on
Yeah,
Facebook.
but on Facebook.
Michael Jackson, that the man, they dance.
And they have this one woman, this other woman, what her name, but she always the one dancing when I forgot what her name is. And there's this other one where him always he's a rasta too. And you walk around with the hat and like his clothes is made out of banana trash. What's his name?
Changa Changa.
Mm-hmm.
You know Changa Changa from... Nobody know Changa Changa. He come from...
You probably not come up here that often unless they really need
He
to,
come
right?
from Flanker. Banana trash in here, like
Brother.
everything out of trash.
It's when you come on to Mobile. Me only got Mobile if me I go buy something.
Go straight back.
If me want pizza or me and the bridge in them I go somewhere. And you see once me done do what me dey do, me gone on me yard.
So like I did it now in the place.
Yeah, they then different. Like I think I only place like me go sit down and I look out differently. But
Yo.
Did it now really nice but you look good on your
Yeah,
park
that
and
is
carry
nice.
and play music and you know.
Yeah, that end's nice. That end's like
Yeah,
a
man,
spot.
did it now and everything was spot, you know.
yeah, about flanker that do it. All a flanker. Me I pass flanker.
Man, we are not
If
that
you read,
flanker.
if you light red in,
You know top.
shade me eye to green, you know, brother. You know, stop
Do you
in.
remember when I was driving and you're like, what are you doing?
You can't tap a
Yo.
flanker
You're
like
like, keep
that.
going and I'm like,
No,
the
like
light's red.
at Jamaica when you reach like 1 o'clock, you stop you only way you stop and somebody in front of you.
Yeah, man.
Me not stop her like nothing time.
Bro.
Me look so.
Bro, it's like how I
girl.
do here. If Mrs. say you the plan to tap, me cut in the next lane. Me not tap a flanker.
You don't want nobody tap in front of you nor behind you.
Then a whole of people when stop like man.
Bus man, me see they come out and mobile in a bus. And the man come on the bus, you know. And when my boy they reach near to flanker here, one stop. My man is a one stop your mother. Come off road to Blue Diamond and take one next bus more there. You don't know say this a bus a fall mountain they go. We man say we not tap. And he not tap. Or the Blue Diamond in bag. So till I know we hear some music start play and me a DJ. You know what me know say me dey on camera and man I say me a sing say me no want no more browning.
God.
Oh, wait, what the girl do to you make you don't want no more, bro?
The man say yo remember when they sing say me I say me ain't sing. The man say what? Just pop out the phone and show me
Yeah.
no shot. Me no want no more brownie.
No shirt, wow. You know, they're gone.
Yeah, man. For that time, I say, yeah, man.
Remember that other time when we first started talking, and you had the Hennessy bottle, and the video ended up on Facebook, and you were there singing. Was that New Year's or Grand Market?
Yeah.
But yo, I remember like we're telling you take the video down because your dad and everything. You were wasted, man.
Yeah,
walking with the Hennessy bottle, pouring it out, hands up to his knees, like.
Nice, man.
That's when you know when Ziggy's drunk. When his pants starts dropping, like he's too lazy to pull up on his waist. That's when you know Ziggy's drunk.
Mario, I want anyone to wish part. Yo, you just enjoy yourself, yeah, man. Me? The police me ask me. I must say more tin mackerel, saltfish.
Oh my god.
One only person me I tell him say we cook him because I eat alone me want to feed in the morning. Color low everything mixed up in a one. Yeah. So
What are you on that?
yes.
Like,
Morning fishing.
what?
Huh?
You never France it.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
Hello, you know who I am?
Oh, gosh. Have you ever crossed? Yeah. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I was. Where do you know why you're from?
Share a story. You have to share one story. We all shared one story.
Nisha share one man, but we know you have to marry, but we all get still.
You said Mario end up on table in a year.
Oh, no. One time, let me see. The time it was really frost was when I actually first met Mario. Yeah, I introduced shots to my family back home. You know, the shots are not normal. And I did the ping pong. So, you know, we were playing that game. Yeah, I ended up. Yeah, I was so drunk. I remember at the party they pulled out the bed. We were on like his brother's grave top on the bed.
Oh my god.
Dance. People started stripping. They're on top of his car. Yeah, we were
That's bad.
But three of them, you know, and two of you, they come from mobile.
Mash over
I'm
country,
going to
country, mash up country.
have a matches now, man. All matches now, you host now. We can't go put on the grill.
But everybody start hype up.
Real party.
I suppose you go on with the
Everybody
grill.
hype up.
So dash out for the matches.
That's on the poor man.
Yeah, I mashed up his car too. They were doing head top. I didn't go on top of the car though. No, I'm gonna end up.
I'll be a wine and see me not going. Nobody will talk about this girl and reggae.
You don't even remember what I was wearing when I first met you? Your eyes was so eyeing me.
I'm alone in a piano, man.
I lied.
They want to hold me for dance with me, Ziggy. You know? They want to hold me for,
it was his birthday.
That's what they want. So I say, alright, I soon come back. I'm going to come back. Now I go for the soup. This is when I go hang out with family. They're like, wait a minute, we're not ready for dance. So I say, come on, play soup.
So you ran from her. He ran from you.
Yeah.
Me don't run from
You
the
ran
whole
from
of them.
her.
Because, you know, they want to come show me up.
Put it on the
They
mattress.
want to come show me up.
I guess after this, the other guys that were getting on the mattress and they want to go.
No, I would love to see Shad. I would love to see you in that vibe.
I think
You wanna see you in that
still have some of that
vibes
video.
Yo, the last time I see myself like that was like, remember when they had heat?
Yeah,
Like those times I used to go there and just dance, but like now.
It's that club that I got myself in trouble in.
Is it really?
Yeah. I hate that place. Guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Yes.
And give this video a thumbs up. Let us know if you guys like this video and you would love to see another one. Yes. So peace out.
Ziggy, end up that.
But yeah, guys. So
Bodadum, yeah, no.
You just cut shit. This was like, yeah, guys.
Go on, any yours.
But me not even know Nisha in video then.
Just lie. Don't get shy.
Oh, Nisha is.
So guys,
Go have one dance song.
who you and Mario?
Oh, your balls up.
But yeah, let us know down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Did you guys enjoy it? And I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. If there will be a next one.
Yeah, you're a dance.
So, hey, Oh Lord, what was I gonna say?
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, a blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and